What is a digital story?
A digital story is a personal narrative created from images and put into a video with music and your own voice.
They can range from your own personal experience to how you view the world and community.
How do you make a digital story?
Step 1. You decide on your topic. It could be about you or a subject that you feel is important.
Step 2. Do your research. Go online, the library, wherever you can find out more information about your topic.
Step 3. Write the script. When you feel like you are ready, write the script. Don't just state facts, tell a story. Give us your personal view on the subject.
Step 4. Collect your images. You need to find or create images that will help tell your story. You can download them, draw them, or even take photos. You have to make sure that your photos help tell your story.
Step 5. Record your voice. Now that you have your script, all you have to do is record your voice. Speak in a clear way and show your passion.
Step 6. Put it all together. Once you have your recording, now you just need to put it all together in a video editor. Make sure that you select good music and take your time to make sure you get it right.
Step 7. Share your story. After you finish putting it together and turn it into a video, now all you have to do is share your story. You can upload it to the internet, show it in class, or even have a film festival. Digital storytelling is a fun way to get your voice heard and to share how you feel to the rest of the world.